In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides quickly and efficiently. If you've ever tried adding images one by one, you know how time-consuming that can be, especially when you're working on a presentation with dozens of photos. The good news is that PowerPoint has a built-in feature that lets you automatically place multiple images onto separate slides in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can start with a blank presentation or open an existing one where you want to add the images. Once PowerPoint is open and ready, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This tab contains all the options related to adding content, such as pictures, charts, shapes, and more. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Photo Album option. Click on Photo Album, and from the drop-down menu, choose Select File or Disk. As soon as you click this option, a new window called Insert New Pictures will open. This is where you'll select all the images you want to insert into your presentation. In the Insert New Pictures window, scroll down to locate the folder that contains your required images. If you need to move back up to another folder or directory, simply scroll up and navigate until you find the exact pictures you want to use. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct files. Once you're in the right folder, click inside the file name box if required, and then begin selecting your pictures. To choose multiple images at once, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking on each picture you want to include. You'll see each selected image become highlighted. This allows you to pick several photos without having to insert them individually. After selecting all your images, click the Insert button in the bottom right corner of the window. You'll now return to the Photo Album dialog box, where all your selected pictures will appear in a list. If you need to adjust the order of the pictures, you can do that here by selecting an image and using the up and down arrow buttons to rearrange them. This step is important if you want your slides to follow a specific sequence. Next, look for the Picture Layout drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the Fit to Slide option. This ensures that each picture fills the slide properly without awkward spacing. It's the best option if you want one image per slide displayed clearly and cleanly. Once everything looks good, click the Create button at the bottom of the photo album window. PowerPoint will automatically generate new slides for each selected image. Each slide will contain one picture, perfectly placed according to the layout you selected. Just like that, your photo album slides are created successfully. This method saves a huge amount of time and keeps your presentation organized and professional. Instead of manually inserting and resizing each picture, PowerPoint does the heavy lifting for you in seconds. And that's how you insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.